This is a quick update on my brother's solar setup. After doing the partial setup, I told him to use the oven for a while and switch back to grid once the battery get to 20%. Unfortunately, he did not notice it until the battery was completely drained. Because we do not live that close to each other, setting up a couple solar panel for him did not happen until the following weekend. Checking the millivolt difference between the cells was the first thing I did once I got there, and it's showing a difference of 15 millivolts. I went ahead and installed a DC isolator, pulled the PV line, and installed 6 bifacial solar panels for him. And the 6 solar panels are currently providing 1482 watts. Now let's go outside to show you how I made the temporary setup for the solar panel. I was able to pass the PV wire and the same conduit they use for the HVAC line, and I run it back all the way to the solar panel in a good area that got plenty of sun. I laid the solar panel against the fence. Those are 6 bifacial solar panel, 395 watt without bifacial gain and 495 watt with bifacial gain, and I wire them in series, positive to negative all the way to the end, and I end up with one positive at one end and one negative at the other end. After that, I tilt the solar panel as low as I could on the fence. Next, I pull them apart and leave some gap in between to see if I could increase the bifacial gain. A white or reflective background is recommended for better bifacial gain, but I'm going to see if that's going to increase the output. It looks like lowering the angle and leaving the gap in between significantly increase the output. This is how I'm going to leave it for now until we install the solar panel permanently. And it took no time for the battery to go from 2% to 3%. I was worried about the battery sitting that low because it's not good for LiFePro 4 battery to sit that low, but it wasn't for that long. The only thing that is connected to the setup is the stove. Since there are 6 solar panels that can recharge the battery, I'm going to connect the fridge as well as the microwave so my brother can start taking advantage of his solar setup. When I left, the battery was sitting at 17%. My brother did confirm the following day he was able to get to 100%. I will do another update on my brother's setup once everything is done or close to done. This will be it for the video. I hope it was informative. If you like this video, you might enjoy the recommended videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.